I will talk about how can you change your username on your reverse context app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on your photo profile. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to username, and here can you change your name here in this list. So that's all you have to do to change your username here. I wish now you I get it. So that's all. Just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.